Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to verify your identity on Luno. Okay, the first step I'd like you to take is to tap the Luno icon on your mobile device in the app drawer to launch the app, which of course I've done right here. So you can enter your email and password and tap login if you're not already logged in. If prompted, enter your 4-digit PIN or use your fingerprint or face to unlock. Then from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the wallet icon, all right, which is at the bottom. Okay, that's here. Just not the wallet icon, tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, it's going to take you to this window. Now, under your name, you're going to see, okay, so I have not completed my profile, so I don't have a profile set up. It says I have to complete my profile so that I can, launch the verification. So I'm just going to click on continue to verify my identity. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can just follow these options. Go ahead and select settings. And once you select settings and scroll the way down, you're going to find verification. Since level 0 not verified. Now go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, this is sensitive, page sensitive. So you'll not be able to see what it's here. But this is where do you live? And I said Nigeria, so if your security checks to keep you safe. Now it says add your personal details, add your address and job details and all of that. Take a picture of your ID and snap a quick selfie. So I'm just going to select let's go, and in this window I have to set up my profile in Nigeria. So I'm just going to show you exactly what you're going to do here. So you have to choose your country of residence. All right, then select the type of ID you want to use. This can be a passport, a national ID card, or driver's license, depending on your country. Then tap continue after making a selection. You'll now be prompted to take a clear photo of your ID. Make sure it's not blurry, that all four corners are visible, no glare or shadows obscure the text. Then follow the on-screen guide to capture the front and back if required. Tap use photo or retake as needed. Now, once you're done, it's time to prove you're really you. The app will activate your front camera and ask you to take a selfie. Make sure your face is clearly visible, well lit, and you're not wearing hats or glasses. Follow any instructions on the screen, like turning your head or smiling to complete the selfie verification. Once everything looks good, tap submit. Your documents will now be uploaded and reviewed by Luno's verification team. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. You get a push notification and an email once your identity is verified. You can also check the status by returning to profile, click on verification and the verification section in the app, and that's it. So click on profile, click on settings, head over to verification to check that you have been verified. Once verified, you have access to Luno's full range of features like buying, selling, and sending crypto without limits. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done and be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.